Good morning everyone and welcome to our first full day here in Amsterdam. The sun is shining, we're just walking past Vondel Park, we've just left our hostel and we are now heading to Dam Square for our first free walking tour of the day. It's a food walking tour and then we've got a second free walking tour at 1:30, which is a classic free walking tour. So essentially today is going to be a day exploring as much of Amsterdam as possible. So let's get on with the day. We started the day by doing a free walking tour around the city. The first stop was a local cheese shop, and it's safe to say I very much enjoyed trying all the different cheese. In fact, I think I probably ate a bit too much. Then we headed to the famous chocolate brand Tony's Chocolonely. At the shop you can taste many of the different flavours, and of course I certainly made the most of that. After that, we went to try some herring. In the Netherlands, herring is sold as street food, and we tried some at Jonk Volendammer Haringhandel. I was a bit sceptical at first, but actually quite enjoyed it. The next stop was to try some stroopwafels, which I had been particularly looking forward to. And on the final stop of the tour, we tried some bitterballen, which tasted like croquettes and were very delicious. Okay, so we've just finished our first free walking tour, which was a food walking tour, and at 1:30 p.m. we have our second free walking tour, which is a classic walking tour. I will leave a link, like I said earlier, in the description to the two free walking tours that we're doing today. I've currently just got a Peroni. We just sat in the sunshine enjoying a beer before we head back to Dam Square for free walking tour number 2. In the afternoon we did another free walking tour. This time a culture and history tour around the canals of the city. Our tour guide told us about the history of Amsterdam, the current political situation, as well as the cultural norms and hidden gems. Okay, so I haven't actually vlogged in a couple of hours, so I apologise about that, but I will catch you all up. Essentially, we finished our second free walking tour, which was really, really good. It took us to some of the best sites in the city. We were told all about the culture and the history of Amsterdam. And then we went to a local restaurant where we actually went on the food tour this morning, had some snacks before basically what we've been doing just now, which is taking a ton of Instagram photos and Reels content. So hopefully by now I'm sure you guys have seen all the content on my social media at OneGlobe360. And now we're heading to Amsterdam Centraal station around that area to pick up some tickets for our boat tour. To finish off an already busy day, we went on a 1-hour canal cruise. This was the perfect opportunity to sit back and relax and take in the beautiful views of Amsterdam. Okay, so we're now just currently walking in Vondel Park, which is just by our hostel, and we are heading for some dinner. We're really not too sure exactly where we're going to go, what cuisine we're going to choose tonight, but we're just going to have a walk around as it's our last night on the Interrail trip, which has just absolutely flown by. Okay, I know, I'm the worst vlogger, but guess who forgot to end the video again last night? That'll be me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below and subscribe if you're new. And today, as I'm filming this video, it's the last day of our trip. So I hope you guys look forward to the final Interrail vlog. It won't be the end of the Interrail content though. I'm going to be making so many videos about our experience in hostels in all the different cities. So smash a thumbs up if you're looking forward to those videos. But yeah, I will see you in the next video.